Amanda Dea Saputri, NPM 2341182 Management Class 2 3D. Here I will explain the material on leadership strategy. What is strategy leadership? Strategy leadership process of strategy decision making in an organization that involves the development and implementation of long-term plans to achieve organization goals. In the process, a strategy leader is responsible for formulating and implementing the risk plan to assess the goals that have been set. What are the strategies of strategy leadership? Strategy leadership involves special skill and abilities that enable a leadership to making strategies, decision making, and organization. 5 strategies for strategies leadership that every strategies leadership must have. 1. Visionary, a leader with strategies leadership. Skill will definition have a long-term vision of the organization. Highlights this includes the ability to see the future clearly and predict market need and opportunities that will emerge. A visionary leader is able to motivate his members by providing an inspiring and convincing view of the future of the organization. 2. Focus and long-term goals. Leader with strategic leadership skill will usually focus more on achieving the organization long-term goals. That will consider various factors that can affect the achievement of these goals, including business strategy, risk management, operation, and many more. In the case, leaders must be able to choose the risk priorities to ensure the achievement of the organization long-term goals. 3. Strong managerial skill. Leader with strategies leadership skill will usually have strong managerial skill, including the ability to make the risk decision management, conflict motivation, and will good working. Relationship strong managerial skill allow a leader to manage resources more effectively and effectively so that they can assess organization goals better. 5. Ability to make the risk decision Leaders with strategy leadership skill have the ability to make the risk decision in complex and difficult situations that includes the ability to analyze problem in depth, evaluate various options, and cause the most appropriate solution for the organization. 5. Creative and innovation. Leader with strategy leadership skill will usually be more creative and innovation in formulating the risk strategy for the organization that are ability to consider various factors in their strategy, including industry trend, customer needs, and market stages. Strategy and innovation allow a leader to develop new ideas and innovation solution to company and difficult organization problem. How to implement strategy leadership? Implement strategy leadership. The risk strategy and the ability to implement the strategy effectively. Several ways to implement strategy leadership. 1. Identify long-term vision and goals. The first step in implementing strategy leadership is to identify the long-term vision and goals of the organization. 2. Building a strong team. Leader must be able to build a strong team or at least consist of qualified members and have competencies that meet the needs of the organization. 3. Developing effective communication skill. Effective communication skills are very important in implementing strategy leadership. Leader must be able to communicate and persuasively to ensure that the organization vision and strategy plan are understood by every member and to stakeholders. 4. Managing risk wisely. Leader with a strategy leadership style must be able to manage risk that including the ability to identify risks, evaluation their impact on the organization, and take appropriate steps to reduce or manage to those risks. 5. Monitor and measure. Organization performs. Leader must monitor and measure the organization performance regularly to ensure that its long goals are being accessed. Monitoring and measure organization performance allowed to identify problem or errors in the strategy plan and making necessary changes. That all the material have present How faithful is useful? Thank you.